Replacement doors. Pell City is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and security. Our expert team specializes in entry door replacement, ensuring that your home not only looks great, but also provides the safety and energy efficiency you need. With a wide range of door styles and materials available, we offer custom doors tailored to your specific requirements. For those interested in patio doors, Pell City offers a variety of options, including French doors and sliding glass doors. These doors not only provide easy access to your outdoor spaces, but also enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home. Our replacement doors, Pell City experts in Pell City, are skilled in installing these doors with precision, ensuring a perfect fit and smooth operation. Replacement doors. Pell City is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your doors. Whether you need door frame replacement or door refinishing, our team is equipped to handle all types of door maintenance. We also offer door upgrades to improve energy efficiency and security, using the latest door hardware and materials. Custom entry doors. Pell City are a popular choice for homeowners looking to add a unique touch to their homes. Our door customization services allow you to choose from a variety of door styles, materials, and finishes. We take precise door measurements to ensure a perfect fit, and our door fitting services guarantee a seamless installation. Energy-efficient replacement doors. Pell City are an excellent investment for reducing energy costs and improving comfort. Our selection includes doors designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. We also offer storm doors, Pell City providing an additional layer of protection against harsh weather conditions. Door security in Pell City is a top priority for homeowners. Our door replacement company in Pell City offers a range of security features, including reinforced door frames and high-quality locks. We provide door installation services that prioritize safety without compromising on style or functionality. Replacement doors. Pell City cost can vary depending on the type of door and the complexity of the installation. Our door replacement options are designed to fit a range of budgets, and we provide transparent pricing to ensure you know exactly what to expect. Our door replacement experts in Pell City are committed to delivering exceptional value and quality. Entry doors. Pell City materials are available in a variety of options, including wood, fiberglass, and steel. Each material offers unique benefits, and our team can help you choose the best option for your home. We also provide door refinishing services in Pell City to restore the beauty of your existing doors.